Hi, welcome to Greeklish Outdoors. Today is a special episode. We are celebrating Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night, and we're doing it here in Greece for the first time. So stick around. Bonfire Night is a celebration in the UK to commemorate the foiling of the gunpowder plot, and is often called Guy Fawkes Night due to the infamous conspirator Guy Fawkes. The gunpowder plot was a plan to blow up the House of Lords in London, England, using 36 barrels of gunpowder during the opening of Parliament on the 5th of November 1605. A group of 13 Catholic conspirators, 8 of whom are shown here, were led by Robert Catesby, the cousin of Guy Fawkes. Since 1534, when Henry VIII rejected the Catholic Church, making himself the supreme head of the Church of England, Catholics were often persecuted. These 13 men sought to end the reign of the current King James and replace him with a Catholic monarch. However, due to an anonymous tip on the eve of the 5th of November, Guy Fawkes was caught guarding the gunpowder under the House of Lords. He and his group were eventually all arrested, tortured, and put to death. Following the observance of the 5th of November Act in 1605, services and sermons in commemoration were held every year.
Dad, I found a crystal. Dad.
Yes, I'm trying to do.
Give me one.
What do you say?
I said it was delicious.
Oh, good.
Jacket potato, beans, and he loves me, so he gave me the biggest piece of cheese.
English cheddar cheese in Greece.
Yum. Happy bonfire night.
How's the potato, Iris?
It's good, but I can't eat it.
Why not?
Because I have my mouth.
Because you've got no mouth.
No, I have
Don't
a
make anyone
mouth.
laugh her name.
Are you enjoying it, Anna?
No.
Right, we've got some bonfire night games, and the first one we're going to do is apple bobbing. Let's look. Unlike normal apple bobbing, when you try and get as many as possible, we've got 4 apples, and we're going to see how long it takes each person to get an apple out, and whoever's the fastest wins.
Yeah.
Our first contestants, Iris.
2, 3.
Go!
Wait, I can't.
Go!
Wait. I can't.
Hey! Iris with a time of 15.4 seconds. Next up is Anna. Ready?
Go!
Oh! Anna with 3 seconds is the champion so far.
Next up, Jonathan.
4, 8, 3, 2, 1, go!
So far, the champion's Dad. Let's see if Mum can do it.
Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. 2.81 seconds. This is great. So who wins?
Probably you. How much was I?
2.81.
You were 2.74.
I win. Wait, the loser gets a punishment. It's just a face dunking with no apples. Anna, ready? Go. Come on, get it. Next game is chestnut balancing, where we're all going to lay down on our backs, put one of our feet up in the air, a chestnut will be placed on our foot, and we'll see you'll be able to balance it on there the longest.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Daddy, Iris, Anna. I'll move Daddy's because where it is a bit of cheating.
Are you filming?
Yep.
Hello.
Oh!
It's not moving.
I've got to go.
Anna, it's you and Mummy is up. Win!
Go on, stand up and go. Yay! Good job.
And the one.
There's hundreds of crickets around. Find another one. Go and find one for you.
There's lots of
I'll still have a look at Mama.
like a dance.
I can see them. This side got.
You should be filming it now that it's turning colour. You can try it then. Try it in the face.
Fell down. What do I do now? Be responsible. Live this small life.
Doesn't look like it on camera, but it's getting pretty dark here now. So we're going to pack up and head off. I hope you enjoyed our little bonfire night. We certainly did. Take care. Much love. See you next time.